All right. Thank you for joining me for another video of Lewis the Tech Guy. In the previous video, we were just basically adding users to the group. We were able to clear the group. We were take advantage of the log in, log out, and checking the statuses of that. We had a screen 1, and now I added a screen 2. So screen 2 is just a simple screen. And what I want to do is, we've been adding users, right? Adding users, right? But we don't know what users are in there. So clear the group, add user, add user, add user. So what I did was I created a simple list of, if I go back to main, I created a simple list of names. So I got my names right here. And then I went to the button where it adds the users. And in here, I put in a random generator, right? So it'll add those names at random. And actually, so let's do Lewis the Tech Guy and refresh that, and then add. Okay, so in my second screen here, screen 2, you're amazing, obviously. What I want to do is I want to display the list, right? So what we need here is we're going to call an expanded, and the child of expanded is going to be a list view.builder. And let's format this. Let's get this down here, and let's do an item count. And the item count is going to be, again, context.watch, and we are watching the user, and it is going to be user group. And of course, I have my errors because I got to import the user class. All right, so I got model and user, perfect. And and I gotta do that length. There we go, awesome. And so for my builder, I'm going to pass the context and index. See, Flutter makes it so easy. It gives you an index of track because of how long this is right here. It's awesome. So now I got a little error there because it's expecting me to return something. So I'm gonna do a list tile, and let's not forget a semicolon there. And then the list tile, I'm going to do a title, and the title is going to be a text widget. And the text widget is going to be context dot, we're going to watch again. What are we watching here? Our user. And this time we're going to do user group, and we're going to grab the index, right? So the index of that group, and wait for the magic. Here it comes. Oh no, we got errors. Ooh, those look like some serious errors. Oh, I know the problem here. The problem is I put this in expanded. Let's wrap this in a container. Let's see what happens if we wrap it in a container. And no. How about instead of a container, we wrap it in a column here, and beautiful. Yeah, that always drives me crazy. Okay, so now you can see Frank, Lewis, Frank, Charles. All right, if we go back, and not entirely sure what happened there. Interesting. All right, add user, add user, add user, add user. Screen 2, those are our users. Clear group, screen 2, nothing. Add user, add user, add user, add user, add user, add user. Let's see. Huh. Interesting. It didn't. I probably have to, you know what I probably have to do? To get this here, I probably have to restart the whole app. Let's do that real quick, see what happens. All right, awesome. Add user, add user, add user, add user, add user, and screen 2. Hey, here we go. Lewis is that guy. All right, so you can see how easy that is to use our provider. And again, we can always say in our screen 2, we can always come here to our column, and up here we can say bool and status, and equals, again, context dot watch, and we're going to watch the user, and we're going to check to see their logged in status. And then down here we'll just say status question mark. If it's true, it'll return all this beautiful column. Else it will return a text widget, which I'm just going to go to screen 1 and steal, because that's what we do, right? We're going to take this, copy, go to screen 2, and paste it right there. And hot reload this. If I go to screen 2, please log in. If I do log in and go back to screen 2, I get to see my list of users there. Screen 2. Awesome, fantastic. And if I go back to screen 1, it just displays the number of users to group. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. If I royally messed something up, I'm sorry. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Have a good one.